And here's a video on intervals. Intervals are the space between two sounds or two notes. There are intervals in chords. There are intervals in melodies. Let us start. The easiest way to recognize an interval or learn what an interval is associate it with a song you already know. I will be posting a website that's got lists of songs, and hopefully you can recognize some of them. It'll help you. I'm going to use, in this video, I'm just going to play the intervals. I'm just going to listen to them, and I encourage you to do the same thing. And once you're familiar with them, what they look like, and possibly what they sound like, I'm going to show you how to find them in the key of C. All right, on to the first one. The first interval is a minor second. Now I'm playing black keys here. You don't have to know what the notes are. You just have to know this is a minor second. The two notes are right next to each other. They're a semitone apart. And then, sorry about the system sounds. The song that goes with that. Everybody's going to hear Jaws because everybody's afraid of that big shark. Minor second, major second. Major second is two semitones apart. Happy birthday. Major second. Minor third. I know this as Black Sabbath's Iron Man. Also the foundation of a minor chord. The minor third is the interval that comes between the first two notes of a minor chord. Next is a major third. Oh, when the saints a perfect fourth. You notice every single one of these intervals, I am climbing up a semitone for each one. That is that is the Wedding March. Also, Amazing Grace. Okay. Now, I'm going to stop for a second here. Perfect fourth, right? Just like everything else I'm teaching you in music, we understand the semitone rule every time we mention semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I play two notes that are 5 semitones apart from each other, you're going to get the same interval. Different notes, same interval. Now, take this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing grace. It's high for me, but listen. Here comes the bride. All right? Go back to C. That was a perfect fourth. Now we have something called, I'm going to look it up because I forget. A tritone. Okay. a tritone. Now I hear the Simpsons theme. The Simpsons. Tritone. Tritone. Then we have a perfect fifth. Now this would just want to have semitone up. The song. Think of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle. Then you have a minor sixth. That's a tough one. And you can look at the list of songs on the website. That's a tougher one. You don't hear that too often, obviously. And then you have a major sixth. And the song I hear is the NBC theme. NBC. And then a minor seventh. Now I hear the Star Trek theme. Well, I can get in trouble for that. The Star Trek theme. Dum, 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 dum. Lunch bell. And then the second to last interval. That's a major seventh. Songs include Take on Me by a-ha. I don't know if you know that song. Take on me. Anyway, the last interval is an octave. Same note, higher up. Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Somewhere over the rainbow. There's that major seventh there. So I don't know. I mean, it'd be easier for me to remember a major seventh from Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Somewhere, oh, oh, oh. So that's what crazy people do. They can sing intervals by hearing that first note. I don't need you to be that crazy, but you have want to get into it. You should definitely take some time and play these through. Because what's going to happen is if you learn them and understand them, what they sound like, what they can bring, it's going to help you construct better melodies. And what we're going to look at is we're going to look at how they work inside your chords, which you already kind of got a glimpse of, and how they work inside a melody. And also, I want to be able to find them. I know, because I'm using C as a starting point, and we have to use these black keys, but all these intervals are within and can be played in the C major scale. So you take for example, the smallest, one of the smallest ones, the major second, is just two semitones up. So you see it here, see it here, and here, and here. I don't know if I played this one already, but that's a major second too. and a minor second. Or they're here and here. Okay, that's all for now. Stop video.